Today we are at Enders, I think.
Enders Falls.
Enders Falls. Right behind me is the actual falls right here. And this is our 4th stride, so we're one away from having our 5th anniversary one. So let's go and let's do this hike.
We've been to Enders before, but a week of spring rain and some showers that morning meant it was really in its full glory. The falls were roaring, moss was covering everything, the air smelled like rich, wet earth. It really felt like stepping into magical woods in a fantasy novel.
Hey Mom, let's go to the water slide.
Oh, it does look like a water slide, yeah.
That little toss right there gave Sam the idea to ask for an important life lesson.
Yeah, let's skip it. Roll to the side. You want to skip across. Watch out. Last one for that. I'll get more than 3. Yeah, good. No.
4 hikes in, many miles to go, but we're building a consistent family routine that can grow over time. These many adventures are setting the foundation for big goals like the Cotswold Way and the Coast to Coast Pack, and so far we're enjoying every step of the journey.
So that was Enders Falls. As you can see behind us, we have the falls right over there. All pictures will be on an Instagram channel. They will be on the screen right now. And go check out our website. Will be on the screen right now. Now we'll probably be putting out another video for any announcements, but there might be some pop-ups up maybe coming up maybe. Alright. We'll make sure to go like and subscribe, and yep. So bye guys.